To get access to Level 2 options on Webull, the first step is to ensure that you have a Webull account. If you do not already have one, visit the Webull website or download the app from your device's app store. Follow the prompts to create your account, making sure to complete all necessary verification steps to ensure you are eligible for trading. Once your account is ready and you're logged in, navigate to the trading interface. Locate the Options Trading section, which can usually be found in the main menu. From there, you need to select the specific options you are interested in. This might involve searching for a particular stock or ETF for which you want to trade options. After selecting your desired stock or ETF, look for the option to view Level 2 data. You may need to enable it within your account settings or apply for additional data subscriptions if required. This Level 2 data will provide you with detailed information on options trading, including bid and ask prices, and market depth, which can significantly enhance your trading decisions. Finally, familiarize yourself with how to interpret the Level 2 information displayed. Understanding bid sizes, ask sizes, and the overall market sentiment can help you make more informed trading choices. Take your time to practice using this feature and explore all its functions to fully benefit from Webull's Level 2 options trading capabilities.